The fuel line kit consists of 2 new fuel lines, the tank grommet, and the fuel filter. The fuel line kit is a fast and easy way to service your small engine when the fuel lines harden and crack, or when the tank grommet starts to leak. Installing the fuel line kit is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the air filter cover. Next, I'll remove the air filter. Now I'll remove the 2 bolts that secure the carburetor and the air filter base to the engine. With the bolts loosened, I can pull the bracket away from the air filter base, along with the bolts, and remove the base. And now I'll remove the fuel lines as well. Now I can remove the grommet from the fuel tank. The fuel filter is too large to fit through the hole in the tank, so I'll go ahead and remove it. I'll release the clamp, and then pull the fuel line away from the fuel filter. I'll open the fuel tank and dump the filter out. Now I can begin installing the new fuel line assembly. First, I'll need to remove the fuel filter. Again, I'll release the clamp and pull the fuel line away from the filter. Now I can place the fuel lines through the opening in the tank and install the grommet. Just work my way around the grommet, inserting it back into the tank a little at a time. With the grommet in place, now I'll pull the fuel line with the fuel filter out of the tank so I can reinstall the fuel filter. And I'll secure the filter with the clamp. And I'll insert it back into the tank. Now I'll reinstall the fuel lines. Next, I'll reinstall the screws and air filter bracket to the air filter base. And now this can go back onto the carburetor. I align the screws with the carburetor and insert them through the carburetor. Now I can reinstall the carburetor gasket. I'll place it over the screws that I've already threaded through the carburetor, and now this assembly can be reattached to the isolator. Now install the air filter and the air cleaner cover. And that's all it takes to install a new fuel line kit on your small engine. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.